Up first this evening, a warning from the Met Office for Jamaicans to brace for bad weather over the next 2 days, especially residents on the south of the island. The Met Office reported this afternoon that a tropical storm watch is now in effect for Jamaica. This after an area of low pressure over the central Caribbean Sea becomes better organized while moving westward and has the potential to develop into a tropical cyclone by tonight. This replaced the severe weather alert which was in place for the island. The Met Office says tropical storm conditions now pose a possible threat to Jamaica within 48 hours. On the current track, the area of disturbance is expected to pass over the south of Jamaica on Monday and the south of Cayman Islands on Tuesday before approaching Belize in Central America on Wednesday. Fishers on the Keys and banks are being advised to exercise extreme caution. The Met Office says small craft operators should return to port. It says the system has the potential to produce heavy showers, so residents in flood-prone communities must be on alert. We will have more on this developing weather system in the weather report and forecast later on.